Hey yo, it's your boy Matt, aka Square Bear, aka your favorite Top Shotter's favorite Top Shotter, and we have got the Run It Back 1986-87 rare pack. And yeah, I got in on the priority Q1. There is a priority Q2, as well as people who copped it early from Allow List. And then there will be a general queue in a few hours. But yeah, let's get it on and pop in. We're going to open this pack for you guys.
Nice.
Let's go. Let's see if the music is different. Music is exactly the same as all of the other pack drops. We've got an archive, and it's a regular rare, so I don't get a magic Lego, which is totally fine, I guess. We've got a 4467 Mark Eaton from the Jazz. If you guys have not seen the artwork for the archive set, it is gorgeous. Mark Eaton was a huge shot blocker in his time. That's crazy. 5.6 blocks per game. Next up, we've got Vinnie Johnson from the Pistons. I really love that these mint counts are so much lower than 60,000. So yeah, they're doing the archive set correctly this time. Shouts out to Dapper for that. We've got a layup. It's a Ricky Pierce from Milwaukee. Ooh. Nice. The finger roll. So smooth, so buttery. Next up, we've got a Buck Williams from the New Jersey Nets. Splata, what timing. That's what Zion's TSD looks like. Nice. Nets win 126-121 against their neighbors, the Knicks. And for our rare, we've got a Piston. It's a rare, Serial 59, Adrian Dantley. Woo! What a pass. Okay. The moves. That was fire. Okay, you love to see it. Nice. Good cereal. We'll take it. Alright. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Hit the bell. And you can follow me on Twitch at twitch.tv/SquareXBear. We do a weekly review of all things Top Shot, as well as other Dapper products like NFL All Day. It's called Talk Shot, for those of you who don't know. And if you do know, you're in the know already. You're part of the Square X squad. So give me a like and a subscribe. Please follow me on Twitch. You can follow us on Twitter at SQXBR. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Good luck with your packs. And we'll see y'all next time.
Nice.